Hey guys, you've got a winch, maybe you've lost your wireless remote, maybe like mine it's a bit of an oldest type and never come with a wireless remote, but all is not lost. You can add these modules and they come with these remotes, or some of them come with different remotes. These are the ones I've got. So all you got to do is work out where your wires go. So on mine, this is a Thompson solenoid, which is a common sort of solenoid. The yellow from the little module box, that's what I'll refer to from now on. So the module box, yellow goes to yellow. The red will go to the long side of the positive, which on mine is the same. It's got a little red going from where you plug in the hard wire. So they just pop on there, yellow to yellow, and the white from this goes to the far side, to the third position there, which is the brown wire on this, and the black to the black. So it's white to the brown, black to the black, yellow to yellow, pop your red over here, and this little doobalaggy, here's your antenna. So make sure he sits on top, probably, once you put it back in for best possible reception. And that's it. And you should be good to go. There may be some that are wired differently, but for this type, that's how it's done. So I worked it out. Just a bit of tinkering and we got it. So I'll whack it all together and we're good to go. Alright, hopefully that little quick bit of info helps somebody out. Good on you, eh? Hooroo.